advantage yet. We are truly in an outside environment in our shop here. Who wants to build an HHO generator? I do. Well, Chris and I do. We're back. We've had some breakthroughs that we're happy about. Not only did we successfully breadboard PWM, a pulse width modulator, but we discovered a new cheap power supply. This is from a Dell computer, and it conveniently supplies 12 volts, 5 volts, and 3.3 volts, as you can see by our tags. The 5 volts handles the electronics, and the 12 volts is just part of the circuit. Up here on these heat sinks, they all have their own. It's kind of like a spa. This is the MOSFET spa. Both of these are, one's a PNP type and one's an NPN type. They'll handle up to 70 amps. This is a, what is it? Latchkey?
Schottky.
Schottky diode, pardon me. Handle up to 60 amps. And with this system, with our tests, we've discovered that a lot of amps indeed flow, especially when the gas starts to be produced. Now, speaking of that, I'm going to turn it on, and let's see what we get. Okay, some action already. Got the potentiometer turned all the way up to the top, but I'm going to turn on my multimeter and get a reading here to see what kind of amps are pulling through this line. Now, before we saw between 40 and 60. It was crazy. The heat is just ridiculous. We've seen with this unit between 10 and 11 amps produced, just as we have it, and we haven't fine-tuned the potentiometers that are built into the circuit. So stay tuned while we build this sucker up a little more and show it to you in a project box.